Hey guys, thank you for visiting again. Today I'm going to be taking apart the iPhone 6 to replace the battery inside of it. So what battery I'm using is one that came from company Daeta dot company, and basically what they have is the same battery but with their logo on it. And actually opened it earlier, but you can see here this is the battery it comes with. As you can see, it is 3.82 volts, watt hours 6.91, and 1810 milliamps, which is the same as the original battery should be. Now, in reference to will it work, several reviews said that it was in that most of the time basically everything worked. They had really good reviews. There were several that received that they got that they were dead on arrival or not working properly, but the company did a good job of sending them one right away. So hopefully this battery is in good condition and it works fine. It's supposed to have 0 run hours, and we're gonna go ahead and see what else came with the kit. And let me just throw it here on the table. All right. So the kit comes with the special double face tape that you pull out from the battery in order to replace it, which is fantastic. That way you can attach the battery to it and to the phone. That way it doesn't move inside there. It has with 3 screwdrivers, 2 Phillips, the different size Phillips screwdrivers, and it comes with a little star screwdriver, which is used to remove the screws at the bottom. It also comes with a little suction cup in order for you to remove the screen, pull out, and also 2 different prying tools, and actually 3, and 2 picks in order to replace the battery. We'll see how it goes. Alright, let's start taking it apart. There we go. 1, 2 screws removed. Now we're going to move on to the next part. Put these to the side. Now I need the suction cup. Alright, and I'm going to hold on to it on the side, see if it pops up. Okay. Okay, you put a suction cup on here, and you're supposed to just pull up, and it's supposed to start coming apart. The problem I have this one so far is that it's a little tight. It's not coming out that easy, so that's what these prying tools are for. Once you get it out a little bit, my suggestion is put it on the side here and just start working yourself all the way around like this. Just slide across, and it starts to come apart, as you can see. Okay. Now what I need to do next is get all these little screws here, and this cover off in order so I can remove the screen without damaging it. Let's start doing that now. Okay, 1, oh, that jumped. Be careful. It'd be good if you have a magnetizing tip And actually I have magnets, which I forgot. Let me see. It actually sticks to it. Let me magnetize this tip. Have one more screw. Go, a long one. They're all actually different sizes, so you gotta be careful where you put them back in. It goes on top, bottom, top right, and these two go on the side. Another one's in the center. All right. You get some tweezers, which don't come with the kit. It'll be good to get a piece. Here we go. We have the connections here, here. So we're gonna take them out. I'm gonna use my prying tool, plastic. 1, 2. It's fairly easy to cut. We come out fairly easy with this. 3. 4. There it goes. And that's it. Okay. I should leave this on here for now. Now, I'm going to move on to removing the battery. But before we do that, we need to actually remove this part here in order to remove the clip that the battery is attached to. And these screws are actually, this one here is a little bit larger. Now I understand why it comes with the larger Phillips screwdriver. Let's go here. There we go, longer screw. And then use the smaller one for this one. You can see smaller. There we go. Okay. So now that I've done that, I get to remove the battery. Actually, first I need to remove this. There it goes. I disconnected the battery. Okay. Oh, actually, when you pull it back, it starts to pull the tape that you need to remove. Actually, right here, that tape. All you do is pull on it, it comes straight out. You see it's getting extended, but pulling on it, voila, it's all out. That's one more to go. I was able to save it. Wow. As you see this part here, I actually had to bend it because I was losing the tape. So I bended it and was able to retrieve it underneath luckily, and I was able to pull it out and battery comes right off. Wow, that tape is pretty strong on there. Alright, there we go. Alright, time to put the battery back. A new battery in. Let's see the difference. They look very similar. They have the same 3.82 volts, 6.91 millimeters. I'm sorry, 6.191 watt hours and 1810 milliamps. It was made, it says Apple South Asia and Thailand original. It's on the bottom here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. I think it's too small. There it goes. 1810 milliamps. That's the original battery. And as you can see, we're adding the same kind of battery, 1810, just from a different company. So now that I put the tape with the tabs here for future removal, attach them on here, I can remove the back part that has the adhesive and place the battery in place. To make sure these pins are clipped in right. Good. That's ribbon. Alright, let's power it on just to see everything works fine. And the screen looks good. I don't see any problems with the screen so far. If there was a problem with the ribbons, there was sheet lines, etc. Right now, still powering it on. No SIM card, it says 45% charged. So the instructions are to basically charge it, a full charge, and then discharge it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. So it says to charge it fully and then discharge it. Let me see if I see the instructions. I'll show them to you right now. So basically, you have to. It says, according to this, it says, make sure you. Instructions says full charge it. It was at 45, so I'm gonna fully charge it, and then it says to discharge it between 1 and 10%, no less than 1%. Basically, they don't let it die completely, and then full charge it again, and you should be good to go. Um, it's just so your battery can calibrate and get better output out of it. All right. So the long one goes into this one all the way over here. The next 2, 3. Let's see right now. Last screw. Okay, all the screws are in. Everything's in place. Battery seems to be working fine. Just gotta plug everything back in. And this phone actually has tabs at the bottom that you have to put in first. So make sure you go like this. Make sure the first part goes in. And then gently press along the side. And it should clip right in. Okay, the phone's completed. Battery change. Alright, so I just got finished changing the battery, and I want to show you something. Right here it shows 43% charge. That's how the battery came, and it actually states here that's 42, so 1% off, which is fantastic. It says 1810 milliamps right now, and let's see what the wear level says. It says it's perfect. It's brand new battery. Let's see how everything works. I'll update you guys later. Purchase battery from Amazon. Brand Daeta. iPhone 6 battery. Advisor. Notice battery bottom has a small bulge that causes the screen not to be flush with the case by a very small margin, which is taken care of when the screws go in on the bottom. Don't know if they're all like that, but it is not an exact replica of the original. Fits okay and seems to be working fine so far. Hope you enjoy, helps you with whichever battery you buy and install yourself. Thanks for watching.